Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be making finger licking goat light soup, yeah, aka Aponkye Nkrakra baby. Charlie, guys, get your fufu ready, okay? Get your fufu, get your rice ready, and let's dive into it. Okay. Hi guys, so this is our ingredients for our goat light soup or goat meat light soup or Aponkye Nkrakra baby, guys. Okay, so this is really quick and simple. Okay, so this is the order for the day. That is a lamb, and this is our spices. So I'll be using CONNIEMARTS spices, so that's what is in it. CONNIEMARTS spices, it has everything in there, as you can see, everything. Yeah, so it's going to be quick and simple. I have my salt, onion, pepper, tomatoes, and this is also sliced or cut onions. So with this, as you can see, it's just like about 3 or 4 of them. There's garlic and ginger. Okay, I have ginger and this, so I'm just going to use just a little bit of ginger, and we are good to go, guys. Okay, so I will be blending our ginger and garlic off camera just a little bit. So we almost forgot our garlic and ginger. So guys, our goat light soup is ready. As you can see, it's on a medium heat. Is your fufu ready? Because I am dishing it out, guys. Chai, see the debris. This is not dry fish, but then you get debris. Chai, you can't miss this soup, guys. You can't miss this soup. Chai. You can't miss this soup. Aponkye Nkrakra, now you ready? Okay, guys, so our light soup is ready. I guess your fufu is ready. Okay, so for me, because I don't eat fufu, I'm serving it with some hot rice, and you can eat it with anything. Like, Charlie, with this, in 3 days time, I'm gonna get some okra and pour it in, and it will go with my yummy banku. Guys, so light soup can be eaten with anything, Charlie, literally anything. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV. And I will see you next time. Bye.